Hi, we've started to do 5-minute tutorials where the recording's under 5 minutes, and once you get used to doing them you'll be able to do exactly the same thing in under 5 minutes. So it's learning the tools of PaintShop Pro and using them effectively. Okay, so for this I'm going to add a border. To start off with, we always work with a copy of our original file. So we come up to Window, Duplicate, and X out your original so it doesn't get damaged. We come up to Image, Add Borders, and you'll see Symmetric is checked. What that means is if I move the left border to 6, the rest of them will all move as well. For the start off, I'm going to start with a border of 5. I'm going to click on my colour and I'm going to select a light colour from my image. I'll click OK and OK. And you can see I now have a thin border around my image. I'm going to zoom. I'm going to come down to my selection tool, click on the drop down tab and pick the magic wand tool. You'll see Add on the adjustment bar, Tolerance and Feather are at 0 and Anti-Alias is unchecked. Now click on your light border. You'll get magic ants all round. Go Effects, 3D Effects and Inner Bevel. We're going to work with one of the presets, which is the pillow, and we're going to leave the rest of the settings the way they are. Come up to Navigate, left click, keeping your mouse button down, go over to the frame and you'll be able to see what it's going to be like. Click OK and then select None. Now you can see we have a nice raised frame. But from there we're going to add a border, Image, Add Border. This time we're going to go up to 20 and we're going to click on our colour and pick a dark grey from the image. We click OK and we click OK, and now we have a nice grey colour border, Image, Add Borders, and we're going to click on the colour again and come back and select a light colour from our image. Bring our border back down to 5 and click OK. We're going to do the same as we did before with the magic wand. Click on the light colour, Effects, 3D Effects, Inner Bevel. Just leave everything the way it is and click OK and select None. Now to me that's perfectly framed, but you can, if you wish, put a texture on your grey border. So again, magic wand, click on your grey border, Effects, Texture Effects, Texture, and just pick a texture from this little box here. You'll see it'll open. You can pick any one of the preset textures and click OK, Selections, None, and you can see now you have a beautiful wee texture in your frame. So that's how we do it. Sign your work and save it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and look out for more 5-minute tutorials. Bye bye.